Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon review to do for this good old Monday the 10th. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. It is Monday. This is coming from my good friends over at Royal Decanters. Link is going to be down below. Check them out. Really good stuff they have to offer, especially now with the Halloween season coming up. This would be great for your Halloween parties. Check out this nice little gift box they sent. Got a little damage, but that's okay from the UPS people. So definitely really cool. We have a decanter, skull-shaped glass whiskey and liquor set. This is really cool. Inside, I don't know if I took everything out because I want to do this review and make sure everything's out at the bottom. That's what it looks like at the bottom. The base will be down at the bottom. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. And you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and see what else they have to offer. Oh, jeez. I almost fell. There we go. Let me move some stuff around. Here we go. Got the whole world right here. Boom. See, this is the base that came with. It's down at the bottom. Hold on one sec. Sorry about that. I had to sneeze. But this is really cool. Down at the bottom is this cake stand. Royal Decanters. And they got the 4-shot glasses. And you got this big thing right here. Really nice glass piece right here. Blown. I wish I could do this. Some nice skill right there. Nice, heavy. Definitely not for kids unless you guys put non-alcoholic drinks in it. But for us young adults out there, this would be perfect, especially for the Halloween party coming up. So it's gonna get a little spooky around here. Let's see. Ooh, here it is. Just got poured in. I'm gonna fill it to the top, the tippity top. There we go. Got a bottle in there. Oof, that's strong stuff. This will definitely do the trick. Stinky, stinky, look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. I like that color. See, it would be cool if you have like a darker red or a lighter red. Make it kind of look like a skeleton blood. You know, here's a shot glass one. Really cool. Kind of matches. Then it'd be that one over there. And then number 2. Really cool. Definitely like that color though. 3 tequila. Got that tequila. I'll pour a couple, maybe 2 of them. Show you the 2 sides. Oh, like I said, kind of heavy, so you might want to be careful handling this thing. And then we'll do the nice. Ooh, I got stuck. There we go. Easy cap. He's a cool cat. That one. Ooh, strong stuff. There we go. Bada boom. So that what glass looks like. Ooh, scary. Scary, scary. Awesome stuff though. So thank you guys over at Royal Decanters. Amazon Prime, take advantage of the fast shipping, get this out in no time. So we got a month until the Halloween's party's going, so Really cool. Boom. Oh yes. It's like the skull from Indiana Jones, the gray skull or whatever it was called. But really cool. Look at that. Doo-doo. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. You guys have a good one. Be safe. Have a great day, and see you soon.